Yo ho, penguin. Yippee. Move from Inernodar to Stravopolkrai mainland. Nice. 1 second. Hope the move wasn't too stressful and everything went smoothly. Moving is especially cities, it's a nice reset. To see you, penguin. Yo, Lynn. What's up, Lynn? I was so tired the past couple of days. Even today, I was supposed to not stream, but I thought I'd get some reps in. Thought I'd have a little snack before I start. An app on their network. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. That's good, man. But they're not going to steal it from you, right? Like, did they already pay you for it? Hmm. No payment yet. How do you know they're not just going to like keep using it and not tell you? And it's like, oh, we're not interested, but they keep using it. Is there a way to like manage the license and revoke their access? Or is it like a SaaS thing where it hits your server? You could just turn it off from your end. Okay, nice. Good. That's a good direction. All right, give me a quick sec. All right. Loon. Number is valid according to Loon formula provided as a string. Strings of length 1 or less are not valid. So it needs to be greater than 1. If ID is 1. Spaces are allowed in the input, but they should be stripped before checking. Yo, Gygaxium, good to see you. Yeah, thank you, thank you. My energy levels are all over the place though, so trying to figure that out. That's because work takes a lot. 1 or less. Yeah, the thing's gonna run when the ID is greater than 1. Is how I'm thinking about it. And then else it would be like string is less than 0. Else oh, no worries. Either way, it just takes in. There's no error, right? So it doesn't return an error value, so we don't need to output an error. We need to strip strings. They should be remove spaces in string Golang. Strings. So just replace all. Okay. So we can just ID reassign it to. Can I do that? No. That's for making a new instance. Strings. Import FMT. What are the other methods? Remove only leading trails. Okay. Remove all hidden white space tabs. Fields. Oh. Okay. All right. Oh shit! Affiliate anniversary. Holy shit! Really? Today?
Chupapi mo
Yo, Neil
yan.
Partner. Today?
Chupapi mo fucking yan.
Seriously? Prompted you. I'm monk now. Oh shit! It is today. Damn. I am. Dance for hey. I'll dance for you. We'll wait for more people. Ali's live. Okay. There you get your sexo. 1 year. That's crazy. 1 year of being affiliate. Look them hips. These hips need some oiling. That's huge. Are you Neil? Please never again. Mm, 4. Oh, today is 1st of July. So technically tomorrow. Got sick of climate because of the heat? That Oh, you were liking the heat? I prefer cold. 17 is not bad though. But yeah, I saw that like they hit like record temperatures recently. Yo, Zeno, 17 is cold for you. Damn. Howdy, Zeno. How are you? Please keep it below 20. I got that game, by the way. The crumb game. You said you didn't enjoy it as much, but we'll have a look at it sometime this weekend. Looks fun. Looks interesting. Do they have ESP32s? Ragnarok when? After I finish Arkham City, then we'll do Ragnarok. Has their AC down to 16? You have to wear jeans. Oh, she's in Germany as well. Speaking of AC, I had to turn down mine. Oh, Miami. Okay. See, I hear though I start getting chilly when it's below 21. Damn. But the cool thing about like the cold is you can just add layers, right? Whereas with the heat, like how many layers can you take off until it starts getting inappropriate? Yeah. Start at the end of the number and double every second digit. Okay. Hmm. Every second digit. You love that feeling sticky? Especially when sticky from humidity? Wait, you like feeling humidity? Sticky from humidity? Bruh. Thanks for the support. Gygaxium feels like he's one versus everyone. Okay. Reverse string. Is there like a command? Reverse string Golang. So you have to reverse it beforehand. Pointer swap. Is there no reverse function? Oh, they do. Experimental packages. The ceiling fan, open windows, terrace. Okay. Damn, you're like an islander. Whenever I visit Sri Lanka, like some people have AC, some people don't. But even if they do, they try their best to like not use it to save electricity costs. And I feel guilty turning the AC on, but I'm like dying on the inside. This is very straightforward in Python. Okay. See what other methods are available. Everyone's using this runes method. Or do we even need to reverse? We can just like start from the end, right? Yeah, we can start from the end. We don't need to reverse it. But for every second, start double every second digit. How do we make an action on the every second digit? Fable is available to me. I didn't check. Did they release it? I know they announced that they will be open. What? This guy's empathetically not an AI company. Ohio liberal book. He can make bank selling that handle though. Oh, Fable is back like 37 minutes ago. Let's see. Is it only in the US? Oh, that's true. Let's see. It says disabled. Here. Yeah, available. Write me my own fable. Why is my default 4.7? Do I prefer Claude over OpenAI? Um, I haven't done much comparison, but in February, that's when I started using um the CLI tools heavily because I think it was 4.6 that came out in February. That's when I started like, okay, my mind changed about it. I thought it was very incapable of doing I had hard time trusting it to do like things for me. But then I tested 4.6 at work um to do security audits and cloud audits. So like it'll just CLI into OCI and GCP and just like run commands to get the configs across it. I just want to do like a posture check on the cloud. Um, and I started with 4.6 because my boss had been using it and said it's been doing well. And then I was kind of sold. My work pays for this. They're you're not under my username is not under the team or enterprise plan. They're just paying like the $200 subscription for me. They do have a team and enterprise plan. Both my boss and I were like, we're not going on that plan. They can monitor our use. Because we're both like using it to do stuff outside. But in the end, the CEO doesn't care because he knows that the both of us were kind of like experimenting and learning on our own. How I ran out of tokens, yeah. I started off with a $20 plan and I was running out of tokens. And then I upgraded to $100 plan. And then I started running out of usage. And then I asked for the $200 plan. And yeah, $100 Claude or GPT. I would not be paying for it myself. Like, um, I don't know. That's just a me thing. Maybe the $20, but because work's paying for this, it's fine. Even for like, let's see what the usage is like for this week. 5%. When did it get reset? Okay, yesterday. So I use 6%. I've been not doing much with it the last 2 weeks. Oh, they have a Fable limit as well. Nice. They've increased limit for Fable. I thought they said something about making it. Oh, there's a new Claude Sonnet. Neat. Sonnet 5. But apparently, I saw Theo's tweet about maybe it was about Sonnet 5, about how expensive it is to just purely rely on Sonnet. Like, although like the input and output is cheaper, because it has to do more thinking in the end, like you end up paying more. Where is it? Dominates 4.6. almost as good as 4.8 at a fraction of the price. Is it? Okay, this Alex Finn guy is stupid. I think he misread Sonnet 4.6 as Opus 4.6. Because he's like, yo, Gatuno Neptuno, welcome in. Because that's not Opus 4.6, it's Sonnet 4.6. Where he said something about where is it? He tweets so much. Costs more than Opus 4.8 on the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index. Efficiency. It generates almost 2x as many tokens as Opus 4.8 per task. Yeah. So on the benchmarks, if you just solely rely on Sonnet, see. Okay. How do I get this? Like, how do I decide it's it's a yo free Palestine? Yeah. How do I decide if it's every second number? How do I like? So for this Loon's algorithm, I need to double every second number, right, from the end. Until reach channels. Oh, I read about it a little bit in the tour of Go. Okay. Every second number double. Every double every other number. Golang. Use for loop step increment of 2. Oh, yeah, that's actually much smarter. All right. Modulo. I think the modulo is a little like an extra if statement. So let's do the every second. Or yeah. Um. But we need to start from the beginning. So I would need to reverse it. Or you start from the end and index -1. Yo, what up, Kes? Yeah, thank you. But I didn't realize it was my affiliate anniversary until Neil Pointer Yo, what up, Buttersaurus? Welcome, welcome. So, um, ID. Yeah, it's clean, hey? I mean, it's gonna shed over the next month. It's gonna fall. So everything's like pretty clean. They I visited the clinic yesterday? No, the day before. And they scrubbed all of the because it was part of like the process. They scrubbed all of the scabs off. Remember I was saying like I was kind of like gently massaging to remove the scabs, and I was worried like I was going against, and they're like, no, it's okay, that it's past day 10 and they're all firmly in place now. Then they were a lot more aggressive with removing the scabs. They took, before they started removing the scabs, they took blood out. I was like, what are you going to do with it? He said, like, why do you need to take my blood now? Like, we're going to do PRP. I was like, oh shit, you're going to do PRP. I didn't know it was part of like, and I didn't have to pay anything. So what PRP is, they take your blood out, they put it in a centrifuge, and the centrifuge, like, I don't know, spins the blood real fast. So it separates the plasma, the platelets out. And they take the plasma and then they injected it into my head after scrubbing the scabs off. And the plasma is supposed to stimulate hair growth. And I need to come every month now, and they'll do the PRP. And it's part of like the initial like bill. It's really nice of them. Length, ID -1. What did I eat for dinner? Kabsa. Equals oh, I can just do length multiply by 2, right? And if it's greater than 9, we subtract 9 from that result. If it's greater than 9, oh, I can do this. Uh, 2 minus 9, right? i7 core. Something you could do is splice it into 4-digit group and use modulo for doubling odd positions. Yeah, I want to try and make it a few statements as possible, so I don't want to do a modulo check. Let's see if this method works, and then we'll try other methods as well. Um. Okay. Okay. Length by 2 greater than 9, else equals that, right? That's how you do it, or the other way around. Increment by 2 Golang star. Okay, that's right. The other way around. Okay. And now we'll go through the whole string and double, right? Finally, we return sum of all of the digits. The original number is valid. Okay. So we need decrement. I wait for j equals range j is greater than 0, j minus minus. Would that work? I think it should be 1 because it should ignore the last. Right? That's it. All right. And then sum. Insufferable Golev. Yeah. Um how did I do the sum for difference of squares? As long as it's greater than 1. Greater or equal to 1. Okay. Can I look at my other iterations? No. Greater than 0. Or wait. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Then 0. Sum equals greater or equal to 0, right? ID n. N minus minus. How does it know to start from the end though? Over here. Oh. Okay. Let's do that then. J. Right? If sum is evenly divisible by 10, okay, I can just do return. What is this for? Nothing. Return sum. Okay. Ba-dow, 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 ba-dow. It's valid. All right, moment of truth. I only imported the format package. This doesn't have a closing bracket. Run. Is this Suits soundtrack? Wait, are these all songs that I played in Suits? Unexpected semicolon. After clause 927, semicolon. After for clause. Is it semicolons or wait, how did I fuck this up? Colon, colon. Semicolon, semicolon, right? Yeah, semicolon here, semicolon here. Same issue. What am I doing wrong? Give me a sec. Win or lose. Just like you. Pondering. Range of ID. Yo, Bedro, thank you. Bro, I didn't know it was my affiliate anniversary until like people was Nil Pointer sent the first Twitch prompt. Plan something better. Yeah, my head is healing. I don't mind it. I just want it to be a regular day. What's the difference between using range and length? Range versus length. Golang. No, I'm talking about the yo. What up? What up, Water? Range for for loops, exclusively used for for loops to loop through. Return value, index key. Ah, and a copy for of the value. Okay. So let's look at this. Range I. How are you, hot of water? Oh, do you see what's wrong here? I don't see what's wrong here. Unexpected semicolon. Expected after the four. Gonna dance again. This is a song to dance to, though. I'm okay, man. I've just been super tired. I was so close to like not streaming today as well, but like 2 days break. Usually when I do stream, I feel much better and like I feel energized. So I just had to do it. The day before, I didn't sleep. Like, so yesterday I was like dead. I went to the loo in the in at work, and I was just like napping with the toilet seat closed, just like dozing off for like 10 minutes. Expected colon, expected curly brackets after for clause. Yeah.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell? It's funny how Prime has both the daddy chill guy and the what the hell guy. And you can see exactly when he bought those. He he immediately put both those emotes on his expected platinum, expecto patrona. Daddy chill. Yo, detour. I found this channel yesterday. Wait. Still going hard. Hell yeah. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? It's the CEO of Six thing is so funny. Even Disney, like here, even Spider-Man's acknowledging it. Message from founder and CEO. What are these likes? What's wrong with my likes? It's all over the place here. You guys loop the keys and stuff? What do you mean 90% e-girls? There's only recent e-girls. And these are all people I know. Where is it? Oh, they found it. This channel. Here, let me mute this for a bit. Where's the with Indian classical instruments? This is a banger. So good. Trying to save the world. Here they come just in time. Yeah. They also have In the End. It's so good. Indian, it doesn't even matter. They even have Black Eyed Peas. It's pretty neat. Oh, the James Bond theme. All right, back. All right, how? Why? Meow 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 meow. When you do range, does it start from the beginning or the end? Is this Rober? I don't think I understand what's going on. I'm so confused. He just lights a bulb. And then why does it point to him? Better just explain what's the joke here. He's LARPing. Bruh. New Jersey. Okay, I don't get it. I don't get this. Is this like Gen Alpha humor or something, Bedro? Does range start from the end, Golang? No. Okay, so I can do instead length of ID. Length. In the end, Linkin Park. Are you trying to request a song? Okay. Mismatch type string and untyped int. Oh, that's true. So we can change it to a rune. Or string to an array of ints. Go. Let's just replace it. ID was runes, rune ID. There you go. Oh, here. There you go. Bruh. Cannot use rune ID. String and untyped int. I haven't defined string on line 11. On line 7. Oh, undefined strings. Do I need to import strings? Oh, reverse string. Right. Can I just do ID? No. Strings. I need strings. Right. Of 726. Undefined stir. You're right. Cannot use rune ID value type rune. Um Within the rune custom delimiter. Yeah, they do it here, right? Value type rune as string value. So I cannot change the type of ID. Bruh. This should work, right? Right? Undefined rune. All right. So you can't change the type of a previously defined variable. Mismatch type rune and untyped int. If you keep type interface or any. Oh, okay. Array of ints. No delimiter between numbers. Make. What does that mean? Explain this. Of integers in Go with an optimized memory layout. Okay, so it just makes an array of 0, and then you iterate over it and you append. Yeah. Okay, I'm trying to optimize this as and use less lines as possible. Runes is not the way. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, I got it. We'll make that empty. We'll make that empty. Right. How do they append? Directly to its integer value. Why does this say 0? Explain. The value of 48. Convert rune character directly to its integer value, but we're not using runes here. Why are they saying rune character? Okay. Let's just use my mind. Result equals len result j. Yo, Defias, 12 months, 1 year. Let's go. How are you, Defias? Oh, good to see you. 1 year, man. Oh shit! You subscribed on my affiliate anniversary then. Damn. All 12 months. Just fucking go, man. Appreciate you. Thank you. Hairline coming in nice. Yeah. It looks quite natural, right? There's supposed to be more volume here, but it's slowly shedding. Okay. Result equals result j equals let's say ID here. Right? Int ID j. Right? But then I have to do it for. But it looks like I'd have to do it throughout the whole thing. Okay. Fuck it. Let's do it then. For length range equals ID. Yeah. And then for J, we'll make this result. Or should we name it something else? Let's do this nums. Sounds good, no punter. Unexpected expression 10:19. Is that not how you define it? Oh, wait. Range 3. Oh, you don't. Okay, okay. Would that work? Or do you need to do length of ID? That would work, right? Can you use range on a string? ID is greater than 1. Then I have to do length, right? Undefined J. Why? Oh, right, right. Okay then. For J is less than or equal to length of nums. That should work, right? Ten 13. Undefined J. 10 13. Can we not do that? Yo, Paclara, thank you. Okay, I need to be a little bit more. Oh, the what? Syntax error? Yeah. Okay, I know why. Greater than equal to 0. J minus minus. If I'm doing that already, no, I need to do it beforehand. Mismatch types int and untyped int. 1425. 14. Why would it be mismatched? Sounds good, Pedro. Take care. Hot of flavor water. Good night. Bye. Bro, I've been on this problem for an hour and 20 minutes. Okay. For J, by walking on foot. Oh, you got this, man. Oh, you're doing it in the heat. Don't push yourself too much. The heat's like record breaking temperatures in the EU. Meow, 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 meow. Yeah. With humidity as well. Array of ints, yes. Of all zero, starting with length ID. All right. Let's get the Go playground out. Oh, I think I got other programs, other languages in the backlog before I take on Zig. Um, Satanic Urge. Okay. Mm, 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 mhm, mhm. The rating. Do 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 you so? I don't know. Right off. Na 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 na. Okay, where's the console? Okay. Expected that, found that. What? When you're importing multiple packages. Oh, you don't use a comma. Interesting. Okay. 36. Missing comma. Why? Oh, it needs to be a string. Cannot use nums, variable of type int, as a string value in argument to sprintf. Damn it. Now turn the lights off. That's it. FMT, FMT, FMT. Hurry home. No, 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 no. Okay, mismatch type. But I don't even see the errors, what it looks like. It just like invalid operation. Okay, let's look at this again. Compare or operate on an entire slice using a single integer value. How though? Because am I not running this operation on that indexed value? Oh, I'm stupid. This would be j plus 1 minus 1. Hey, Funny and Fish, welcome, thank you. That's a big day. Value of type int for built-in length. Invalid argument for type length. What the fuck? How are you, Fish? How you been? Oh, my. Okay, now. Invalid argument j for variable. Okay, 14. Why is it invalid? Oh, I can just do j minus 1. Good. Watching the new movie. Oh, there is a new Minion movie. It got released. Bro, I feel like I watched a new, but that was the Despicable Me 4 or 3. The last time I went to a cinema was to watch the one of the most movies, where Despicable Me. How do I see the franchise in the all Despicable Me movies? Rise of Gru was very good, and Minion movies. All of them are bangers, and in Minions 1, Scarlet Overkill and Herb, they're like couple goals. Me came 2010, so 16 years ago, and then Despicable Me 2. Minions. Okay, I watched Despicable Me 3. No, Despicable 2017. Okay, so I watched Minions Rise of Gru. I watched Rise of Gru in the cinema. Okay. Are you going to cinema for this? Minions and Monsters. It came out when? Like, I was so excited to watch it, and I took my parents, and they're like, they were looking around, and it's all children. I'm like, I don't care. I want to watch it. But the kids bought a fun. This is the first day in the theater near you. Nice. Have fun. Let me know how it goes. Coyote versus Acme also looks fine. I didn't watch Toy Story 4 yet. I don't even remember the Toy Story movies. I want to watch Mandalorian and Grogu. So many movies. All right. What's the issue here? Variable of type int for built-in length. Can you not? Use J as an index? Going with younger? Yeah. Um, it returns an int, right? Yeah. Then why can't it be used here? Invalid argument. Variable of type int for built-in length. 14, 15, 17. What you been playing recently, Funny? Yeah, I think I'll finish Arkham City, but that might take a while. I'm having a hard time like streaming early, and I want to put more time into Goland. But no need to rush it. We'll take our time. Variable of type int for built-in length. I gotta poop. I'll be right back. You guys want to have a look at the code and let me know. Realize what a cut land you have thrown in your description. Oh. Yeah. Don't talk to me like a peasant. I am too employed. Right now, I put Omarchi on it without having a custom arch build. Okay. So I can't use J as an assignment. But J returns an int. The length of num is an int. For built-in length, Loon formula. So it's how they validate credit cards and social insurance number. You're supposed to go from backwards. Every second number needs to be doubled. Oh, I didn't make a case for. Okay, yeah. If the doubling the digits is greater than 9, we subtract 9 from that result. Else we just double it. If the result of doubling a digit is greater than 9, okay, finally we sum all of the digits. And if the sum is evenly divisible than 10, then the number is valid. Print ln. Yeah. Oh. If length ID is greater than 1. Nums. So 1425, 14. So I can't do this. Invalid argument. Okay. J, let's do K equals. You need to use, if you really want to do that, you need to use J pre-calculated in place. For I'm doing J minus minus. Let's see if I do this with K. It's in the next step, the result will be set, but it's not set for the actual process. Minus J is immediate. Not sure if I follow. I'm saying I do minus J like minus J like this. Let's try that. Missing return 27. Oh. Why? Oh, it would be false. Else. One test failed. Okay. Okay. Expect 059 expected true. A simple valid sin that remains valid if reversed. Test failure. What did we return? In expected? But we got false? Be 10. That'd be 19. Take care, dear partner. A single digit cannot be valid. Okay. Single zero is invalid. There are only 3 tests, and these are the tests. Test a simple valid sin that remains valid if reversed. All right. I'll probably look at the solution. I'm kind of tired of this. I'm gonna call it as well. I just wanted to get a short stream in. My friend Tori is live. I want to raid out to her, and it's her birthday, so we're gonna raid out to Tori. Right. Second. Let's give her a happy birthday. Okay, the raid out message will be Happy Torio's Day. All right. And let's raid out Tori Pixels. Thank you all for hanging. I'm sorry for the short stream, but work's been taking a lot out of me and I need to sleep well. Bye, Cake.